So all of you know I got an LG B30 phone, and tomorrow I asked Verizon if they can give me my iPhone 6s Plus 128GB back, because Wi-Fi keeps dropping on this and the signal for the cell is terrible. The battery is nice. I mean, it's 90%. I've been on it all day and stuff, but I lock it and it shows what time it is here. The wide angle camera lens is nice. Oh, there's that red dot's bothering me, but anyway, it's an okay phone, but they gave me a trade-in so I could at least trade it in, and I bought a brand new iPhone 6s Plus 128GB. I know that they probably won't allow iOS 12 on there, but I don't care because I'm not going to update it, because I know iPhones, they tend to throttle their speeds and their batteries, blah blah whatever. But I'm more of an Apple fan, to be honest. I don't like Microsoft, I don't like Android, I don't like any of that stuff. Android is the same as Apple, I know, in a way, but Apple's more secure though, sorta. So yeah, that's what I've been doing there. So I've been dealing with that, trying to get some phones and stuff, and then I had to do this too. So I disconnect my TV because not just my company, but everybody's TV and phone and everything went up, and I'm not going to pay for services that are outrageously high. And you know, the company promised with this promotion with the TiVo that it wouldn't go up, so I wasn't gonna pay that much. It's ridiculous. Like, it was over $100 just for the TV and stuff, and the TiVos never did work. So I never did like TiVo. Back when the company got in 2011, TiVo still didn't work. They're slow, and I mean, I can get a smart TV, be better off. I wouldn't spend my money on that thing. So that's going back to the business. And then this thing here, this modem here, this is junk. They're gonna replace that. That thing's a piece of junk. 3.1 DOCSIS modem, Hitron, that's junk. That thing doesn't work for crap, so they're gonna replace that, I hope, because that thing don't work. It's just junk. I mean, the thing drops signal a lot. It's not their services, it's that thing, that modem. I don't like Hitron. I'm more of a Motorola fan, or, well, not much of an Aris fan, because that's an Aris there, but I'm more of a Motorola fan, and I don't like that Hitron. Junk. Oh, and did I tell you, that's the 6th replacement in this year. Hitron junk.
Aww, Doodles. Look at that poor thing. She had a rough day today in bed. That poor thing. She has a tough life. Don't have to pay rent or nothing, do you? Oh well. So I got this room finished here. I didn't get the other room finished, but I'm just cleaning it up a little bit. We're going to get ready to put a bed in here and stuff. I got it kind of redneck stuff on there to keep it cool on here. And oh, look at that painting. That's a nice painting, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know, it came with the house, but it's nice. As for that gas stove, I don't know. I haven't got some of the parts here and the real grates, but I think it's working. Yep. Hey. It's working. So yeah, I haven't had time to cook in the oven because it's too darn hot, and I'm not cooking in an oven when it's too darn hot out. That's for sure. Come on, look at that. That's hot. Not cooking in my oven in that weather. Well, Snickers, can you tell everybody what we're going to be doing for videos soon? No? You look like you're really, really impressed. She's like, get that camera out of my face now. Snickers. Meow. Meow. Well, anyway, guys, what we plan to do is combine season's coming soon. I'll try to film that too, and we got some repairs to do on it, so I'll see if I can film that too. If we do it ourselves, we need to do some work with the engine fan and stuff, so we'll see. Depends on how much time we have. Again, you know, everything is always behind, and we'll just see. But right now there's nothing to film because it's just too darn hot. You know, oh, look at that red dot on her eye. Ooh. Look at that red on her eye right there. Look at that. But yeah, Snickers says goodbye. She's getting mad because I'm waking her up. She's gonna scratch me here. You wanna smell your tail? Oop. Well, guys, anyway, thanks for watching. I know there's not much videos to make. I'm not gonna really live stream. I don't feel like live streaming. I don't like it. I don't know. YouTube lags. I don't think it's my provider. I think it's YouTube. I just don't feel like it. No. You darn cat. She always yawns, and then I yawn. Then my friend yawns, and then I yawn. And then it just goes in a repeated cycle one night for 2 hours straight. I just don't feel like it. Didn't you? You goofy cat. Say goodbye to everybody, Snickers. Nah, I better not. She's like, get that thing out of my face. Well, anyway, guys, I'll try to get a video out when I can, videos or whatever you call it. And right now I'm busy working, and yeah, it's that time of the grind of the season where it's going to get really busy. So, like I said, you guys have been bearing with me, and I'll get making videos when there's something interesting. Right now there's nothing interesting to make, so why make a video? And she's just like, get that out of my face. But anyway, have a great one, everybody. If there's some bad storms tonight, you'll see some bad storm videos, which I'm assuming there will be. We're pretty much due for one again, but yeah, you know how that is.